We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to give you the most comprehensive and reliable overview of the Vankor Camping Cooler. Backpack 30 cans, soft backpack, coolers, insulated leak-proof travel, cooler bag, waterproof lunch, picnic beach work trip thermal bag, drink beverage beer bag cooler. If you own this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is designed for those who need a versatile and reliable way to keep food and drinks cold or warm during a variety of activities, from work and road trips to picnics, beach outings, and camping adventures. This backpack cooler aims to combine the portability of a backpack with the functionality of a traditional cooler, offering a solution for anyone who finds themselves needing to transport perishable items without the bulk and inconvenience of a hard-sided cooler. Starting with its construction, the Vankor Cooler Backpack is made from durable polyester and features premium quality leak-proof and hot seamless pressing PIVA lining. This lining is intended to keep food fresh and maintain the temperature of drinks, whether cold or warm. The bag is built with sturdy stitching, contributing to a long service life, and the material is easy to wipe clean, with water simply running off the surface. The cooler's dimensions are approximately 11.3 by 6.5 by 14.5 inches, and it weighs just 1.1 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to carry. The size is tailored to fit up to 30 cans, which is ample space for a day's worth of beverages and snacks for a small group. Reviewers consistently highlight the practicality of the Vankor Cooler Backpack. Many users appreciate its taller than average design, which allows for more efficient packing and easier access to its contents. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold a substantial number of drinks, snacks, and even ice packs or loose ice. Two side mesh pockets are provided for additional beverages such as beers or wines, while the front pocket is useful for storing smaller items like tissue packs, wipes, snacks, or a cell phone. This multi-purpose storage capability is frequently mentioned as a strong point, with users noting that it helps keep items organized and accessible during trips. The bag's waterproof performance is another feature that receives positive feedback. Users report that the material effectively repels water, making it suitable for use in wet environments such as by the pool, at the beach, or during rainy weather. The easy-to-clean exterior is especially valued by those who use the bag for outdoor activities, as it can be quickly wiped down after exposure to dirt, sand, or spills. The overall build quality, including the reliable zippers and sturdy handles, is also praised, with several reviewers stating that the bag has held up well over extended use. When it comes to performance, the Vankor Cooler Backpack generally lives up to its promise of keeping contents cold for several hours. Users commonly report that drinks and food remain chilled for 6 hours or more, especially when using a combination of ice packs and loose ice. Some users have even noted that ice was still present at the end of a long day, indicating effective insulation. The bag is also described as comfortable to carry, with a mesh back panel that helps prevent overheating during hikes or long walks. Its lightweight design ensures that even when fully loaded, the backpack does not become overly cumbersome. However, not all feedback is entirely positive. A recurring issue mentioned by several reviewers is the bag's tendency to sweat or leak when ice or ice packs are used. While the manufacturer advertises the cooler as leak-proof, some users have experienced moisture seeping through the bottom of the bag, particularly when ice melts or when Ziploc bags containing ice burst open. This can lead to discomfort, such as a wet back or clothing, especially during prolonged use. Some users have attempted to mitigate this by using ice packs in sealed bags, but the issue persists for a minority of customers. It is important to note that while the bag is highly water resistant, it may not be completely impervious to leaks under all conditions, especially if large quantities of melting ice are involved. Another minor critique from users is the absence of a lid pocket on the top flap. While the bag offers ample storage with its main compartment, side mesh pockets, and front pocket, some reviewers feel that an additional pocket on the lid would enhance its organization and utility. Despite this, most users agree that the existing storage options are sufficient for most needs. In terms of versatility, the Vankor Cooler Backpack stands out. It is suitable for a wide range of activities, including hiking, kayaking, camping, road trips, and even daily use for work or school lunches. Its compact size allows it to be carried on planes, making it a convenient travel companion. The bag is also easy to store when not in use, as it can be folded down to save space. Users who have owned the bag for over a year report that it continues to perform well, with no significant wear or deterioration in its insulating properties. The cooler's appearance also receives positive remarks. The black color and simple design are described as attractive and suitable for both men and women. The bag's understated look makes it appropriate for a variety of settings, from outdoor adventures to professional environments. The branding is minimal, which appeals to users who prefer a more subtle aesthetic. Affordability is another strong point for the Vankor Cooler Backpack. Many reviewers mention that the bag offers excellent value for its price, especially considering its capacity, build quality, and performance. It is often compared favorably to larger, more expensive hard-sided coolers, with users noting that it provides similar cooling capabilities in a much more portable and user-friendly package. The combination of functionality, durability, and reasonable pricing makes it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. The Vankor Cooler Backpack has also received high ratings on major retail platforms, with an average customer review score of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 2,000 ratings. It ranks highly in the sports and outdoors category, particularly among camping coolers, which speaks to its popularity and the satisfaction of its user base. In summary, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack excels in providing a portable, lightweight, and versatile solution for keeping food and drinks cold or warm during a variety of activities. Its spacious main compartment, multiple pockets, and durable construction make it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone in need of a reliable cooler on the go. The bag's easy-to-clean, water-resistant exterior and comfortable carrying design further enhance its appeal. While some users have reported issues with sweating or minor leaks, especially when using loose ice, the majority of reviewers are highly satisfied with the bag's performance and value. The lack of a lid pocket is a minor drawback, but it does not significantly detract from the bag's overall utility. If you are looking for a cooler that combines the convenience of a backpack with effective insulation and ample storage, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is a strong contender. Its positive reputation among users, high customer ratings, and affordable price point make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or needs a reliable cooler for daily use. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more or to purchase the product. And please leave your own review in the comments if you have experience with this item. Your feedback can help others make the best choice for their needs.